so divided me that anger takes eating and sleeping from me, and joy makes me laugh and jest. But the anger passes with good comfort, and the joy remains, from which I'm joyful, for a love that I love and want. I have a lady, no I don't, yes I'm sure of it. I'm not, for I can't have joy from her. I'll have full joy from her, whatever it takes. Yes, easily. But she's always wrong. She's wrong about what I said. Mouth, you lie and speak pride against my lady. Good lady, why do you kill me? Now you can hear me lie, for she does nothing that makes me hate her. Nothing, except she almost has me dead. I'm truly a fool and my sense is madness, for I say the very thing that takes her from me. I love much the one who has conquered me, and she loves me, yes, so I hear it said. I'll believe her word without a pledge. Yes, fine, as long as the deeds match up, and she honors all my agreements, and I have more from her than I'm used to. Through her I had joy and play and laughter, but now I lament, weep and sigh, and the pain which is heavy to suffer turns back to me in double as delight. I value the bad little when the good conquers it, for I laugh more from it than I grieve. From far away I'm her close neighbor, for no man can part a friend if the hearts want to agree. Everything is good when someone brings me news of her. I love more when the wind blows from there than if another took me in her embrace. Never will a man say who saw her that he could choose one so beautiful, for no one sees her without gazing. Beauty shines so strong, night becomes a clear and gentle day, for him who looks on her with the right eye. I want the verse to carry me to my lady, and let it be comfort to her until we gaze at each other with the right eye.